this means is that at a moment when our country is facing so many challenges, a time when we need all hands on deck, we can't get the qualified people we need to start the jobs they were appointed to do. In 1961, the former First Lady was unhappy about the lack of women in government. So she marched up to President Kennedy and handed him a 3-page list of women who were qualified for top posts in his administration. It helped more qualified families get a mortgage and buy their first home.
If a 2-year community colleges are free and credits can transfer to a 4-year university, that means the cost of a 4-year degree will be cut in half for a lot of working families struggling to send their children to college, qualified children.
And until recently, when these spouses were asked to move across state lines, they often needed to recertify for a job they're already qualified for.
By my 3rd semester, I qualified for a Pell Grant, which was even a greater relief.
And I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to make it 9 years till I'm qualified to get my regular Social Security. Now that I have a new tumor and have nowhere to treat it.
It's a program that provides underserved communities in America with qualified clinicians.
And so you could then select the plan that was best for you, do your own comparison shopping, and if you qualified, then we would provide you a little bit of help on your premiums to reduce your costs.
Businesses on the investments that they make. And more than 200 Montana small businesses have now qualified for new loans backed by the Recovery Act, including 10 businesses.
I will not let up until those Americans who are looking for jobs can find them, until qualified businesses, large and small, who need capital to grow can find loans at a rate they can afford, and until all responsible mortgage holders can stay in their homes.
That's why we're working to reinvigorate math and science in your schools and attract new and qualified math and science teachers into your classrooms, some with lifetimes of experience. Many children from so many working families. And I know we've got a lot of young people who are about to head off to college in an era when a high school diploma is no longer a guarantee of a good job. Let's make college affordable for every qualified day of the season with a losing record. He is eminently qualified, and he has my complete confidence and support. Both Democrats and Republicans agreed that they were qualified to serve.